Okay, let's continue. Okay, and because we have we have the couplet, and so we design the system like this. Okay, and now we are using a new system. Okay, now we are using a new system. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. Okay, if you go to Google and then you type in Cantonese phonology, then you can see the material. Okay, you can see the information. As you can see, number 7 is exactly equal to number 1, and number 8 is number 3, and number 9 is indeed number 6. It means that I'm correct, okay? Because in the old days, I studied in the university, everybody said that I'm wrong, but now it means that I'm correct, okay? I'm correct. Okay, maybe you can go to Google and then you type in Cantonese, C-U-H-K. Then you can see that the ending letter, it is the T. Okay, the ending letter is T. And so it belongs to column D. And you can see the tone, it is number 1, number 6, and number 3. Okay, number 3. It means that my understanding is correct. Okay, in the old days, everybody said that I'm wrong. Okay, anyway, now we are using a new system. Okay. And so in column D, you can see that it can only be tone number 1, number 3, or number 6. It means that if the ending letter is P, T, or K, then it belongs to column D. And the tone can only be number 1, number 3, or number 6. Okay? It cannot be number 2, number 4, or number 5. Okay, I'm glad to see this change. In the new system, column A is no more exactly the same as group A. Okay, in the old system, column A is exactly the same as group A, but now it isn't. Okay, it isn't because you know what I mean? I don't know how they define. Okay, and so this part I'm not sure. Okay, it means that if when you look up a dictionary, if the tone is number 4, then it must be group A. Okay, it must be group A. But if the tone is number 1, then you have to take a look at the ending letter. If the ending letter belongs to column D, then it belongs to group B. Okay, if the ending letter does not belong to column D, then it belongs to column A, and so it is group A. Okay, all the other character belongs to group B. Okay, I hope that you understand what I mean. Okay, now I will teach you the tones one by one. Firstly, at number 1, the first tone. Okay, the first tone, number 1, it is fun. Okay, fun. Indeed, it is the same as English. For example, is it funny? Is it funny? Yeah, fun. Okay, fun. You only need to pronounce it naturally. Fun. And of course, somebody said that it should pronounce as fun. Okay, maybe your teacher will teach you like this. But I have to tell you, we will not pronounce it like this. Do you know what I mean? If you make it academic, then maybe it is fun, but indeed we will only say fun. That's it. Okay, that's it. Naturally, fun. And in Mandarin, number 1 and number 4 are different. Okay, Mandarin, I mean, but in Cantonese, we will not distinguish between Mandarin number 1 and Mandarin number 4. We will think that they are the same as Cantonese number 1. Okay, but of course, if you are a Westerner and you study in a college, and if your teacher teach you number 1 as fun, then you have to follow his idea. Okay, it doesn't matter. In our common conversation, we will only say fun. Anyway, we will not distinguish between fun or fun. Okay, in my opinion, I think that Cantonese number 1 is nearer to Mandarin number 4 rather than Mandarin number 1. Okay, in common conversation, because we will not distinguish between them. Okay, this is number 1, and so number 1 is the easiest. Okay, number 1 is the easiest. Okay, now, here I will teach you the tone one by one. Okay, number 1 is easy. Okay, and so it needs no, and I will not teach you anymore. Okay, in English, there is no tone. Many Westerners said that there is no tones in English, but in my opinion, I find that indeed there are 5 tones in English, and all the tones can be found in Cantonese. Okay, do you know what I mean? I know that you are laughing. I know that you must be laughing, because now I am an Asian and I can only speak broken English. But now I teach you English. Okay, anyway, I only want to teach you Cantonese, and I am not sure whether my English is correct or not. So I have to suppose my English is correct. Okay, my English is correct. I suppose I'm correct. And if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I'm wasting your time. Okay, the first example, it is economy. Economy. Am I correct? Okay, economy. Economy. Okay, the second example, it is tomato. Tomato. Okay, tomato. And then example number 3, it is curiosity. Curiosity. Am I correct? Okay, I'm not sure, but I suppose that I'm correct. If I am correct, then there is tone. And all of them can be found in English, in Cantonese. All of them can be found in Cantonese. Okay, economy, it is 6144. Tomato, it is 614. Curiosity, it is 66144. Okay, one obvious example, it is tomato. Okay, tomato. The first one, it is to, and the last sound, it is to. Okay, both of them are to, but the first one, it is tomato, and so to. The last one, it is to. They are different. They have different tone. Tomato, and so they are different. Okay, it means that number 1, number 4, and number 6, you have already known it. And as you can observe, if number 1 is in the middle, then all the sound in front of number 1, it must be number 6, or quite probable that it is number 6. And all the sound behind number 1, it is number 4. Okay, I repeat once again. If number 1 is in the middle, then all the sound in front of number 1, then it is quite probable that it is number 6. And all the sound behind number 1, it is number 4. Okay, I hope that you know what I mean. Okay, we can make the substitution. Okay, the word fun is number 1. For example, economy becomes economy. Indeed, they are the same. Okay, fun, economy becomes economy. Okay, if you want number 6, then we have to make the substitution. Economy becomes funconomy. Okay, economy, funconomy, and so funconomy, fun. It is number 6. Okay, and if you want number 4, then economy becomes econophon, fun, and so fun. It is number 4. Okay, fun is number 4. Just like the word elephant. Okay, elephant. Elephant. The sound fun. because we will pronounce it softly. If you want to learn Cantonese, then you have to make it clear. It will becomes elephant, elephant. Okay, elephant becomes elephant, elephant, fun, fun, fun. And so it is number 4. It is indeed fun. It means burn. Okay, 焚燒, it means burn. Okay, let me repeat once again. If you want number 6, then economy becomes fun economy. Okay, economy, fun economy, fun, fun, fun. It is number 6. Okay, economy becomes econofun, econofun. Then it is number 4. Okay, it is number 4. Okay. Okay, now here comes another example. Now I will teach you and okay, wait a minute. And maybe we will continue in the next video. Okay.